up, everybody? Woo! Happy from Happy's Trails, coming back at you. I showed you the lights that I opened last night, and I charged the other three that I couldn't show you how bright they were overnight, and now I'm back. So I wanted to go ahead and show you how these lights look and perform. I showed you the other ones, but here's the Olight Seeker 2. Like I said, black, nice little finger holds, rechargeable battery, and then let's see how bright this is. What in the dog nabbit? Okay, there it goes. Okay. So let me get this light turned off. Let's see this one and this one. I left that one on. So we got bam. That's like the low setting, I guess. And then you hit it twice. Bam, dude, that is bright. Whew. Good Lord. Oh, I should not have put that up to my face. Oh. Okay. That was bright. All right, so here's that one. That was this mini Olight Seeker 2. I turned on another light over there because I could tell it was a little dark in the video. So hopefully this one will show better. Super nice little flashlight. 3 little lights there. And then this one came with it also, was the other one. And this is the Seeker 2 Pro. And yeah, let's check this bad rider out. Looks like it's about the same functions. Okay, let's get the lights out and compare it. This one's supposed to be a little bit brighter. I'm not flashing that one in my eyeballs again. That hurt. All right, not too bad. And then the bright setting, again, super freaking bright. Man, I'm gonna have to just the reflection off the white ceiling is bright to me. So yeah, we're gonna have to do some checking it out outside as well. Now this one, this is the big mama jamma. Look at this thing. Look at how little it is, but big. Little big man. And this is the one that has a charging port in the back. Twist that. Got it in there. Then you twist it to lock it. And you pull this up, and I think that's where your tie-off is. That's a little different. I don't know how I feel about that tie-off. I kind of like it though. Seems like it would be... It did come with a holster as well though. Dang, this thing is so heavy though, like you can feel the girth in it. So we got triple thing there as well. Yeah, let's try this light out. Super stoked about this one. All right, that's pretty bright right off the back. And then this one should have a bright setting as well. That's medium. That's pretty bright. That's the bright setting right there. That's like apparently like 12,000 lumens. That is freaking bright. Whew. That's like daylight in here. That's insanely bright. Don't look at my messed up bed. Told you I don't make it. Should start making it though. Okay, 2, 3. That's freaking bright. Yeah, 3 settings. Is this the one that they were calling the night light setting maybe? Oh dude, check that out. Ooh, ooh. Disco, disco, break it on down. All right, whew, that was super bright. that's faster? Or is that the same? I don't know, but that's freaking bright, right? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. God, that's bright. I am seeing the weirdest stuff on my ceiling. That's insanely bright. This thing is awesome. And this one is, man, I gotta turn the regular lights on. That was so bright, that was insane. This is the Olight Marauder X7R. Check that out. Man, those are awesome. So I think I have to do a field test out in the middle of the desert or something and just see the distance on them and how bright it is. So I'll get that done soon. And yeah, leave me some comments. And in the description, I'm gonna put the link to Down to Mob Overland. Yeah, check it out, man. Peace. Thanks for following Happy's Trails. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and share it and impress your friends.